logo.
So for
Because
what else?
most of the games are done using the Ethereum currency.
Yeah.
So if you have that logo somewhere, people who have already played such games will figure out that it's a.
Ashwin, what's up? Can you show your face, Ashwin, please?
Yeah, one sec. My mom is here. I'll show it later.
It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. So go ahead.
Alex, can you enable the screen share?
Okay, so go ahead. Let's see. Ashwin, I think, yeah, you're more than welcome to get in on this with us, but right now it's just for people doing this little going on right now.
Can you turn on the screen share thing?
What? I put it on. I put it on.
Oh, yeah.
It's on. It's on.
How are you doing, Ashwin?
Doing good, Alex.
How's the testing going?
Yeah, our test. Yeah, I'm preparing for it, Alex. So it's gonna start from tomorrow.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so this is what I have so far.
Oh wow.
And I think, I think I'll start doing the cards also. But then I'll start on the cards once the site is done. The entire layout for the site is done.
But well,
After that, I'll start.
because we have a meeting with the client at 12 o'clock. Your guys are my time, so that's like 1 o'clock. Your guys.
That's
12.
We'll be there for the meeting.
We'll be there.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
So what can Rush do then? And T, what are your guys' goals? Like, what are you guys doing today?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start
So,
implementing it on Wix.
so you told that the client likes it, right? So what Roshan can do is he can start doing this on Wix. So as he's doing that, I'll finish the rest of the site also, and work should happen simultaneously for faster work.
I think for me, I even asked him, I was like, is it a little bit too monstery for you? Because it's very monster themed, but I really dig it though. I think it's badass, but I think that it's badass, you know, but I mean, he loves it too, but I mean, maybe.
Yeah, he liked it because it's a Mortal Kombat theme, right? So characters over there are kind of like, what's not scary, like.
Well, no, but wait, no, we're just using the Mortal Kombat concept.
Gameplay.
Yes. Concept, yeah.
So we don't want to make it.
We'll throw in a bunch of other stuff also. For example, he likes the dogs, right?
Yeah.
Well,
For example,
that's what I was going to talk to you guys about. I would really like us to start getting like some sort of a concept for the game.
Yeah.
So make sure to try to think about that. Do you have any?
I started on that. So this is what I have so far.
Yeah, please explain.
So okay. So what I'm thinking is like, instead of calling it worlds, we'll call it legions. So we have like a different set of legions. For example, I have 3 done. One can be called Orions. So these are the heroes. This is just a description for that. Heroes from the enchanted lands of the Great Orion Nebula.
Nice.
And then those can be the characters, like those female characters that I showed you yesterday, like those archers and fantasy characters. And then these are the Igers. So they are like these trolls and elves and people like those, like
and llama,
grotesque.
llama for sure. He said he wants a llama.
Yeah. And then the third can be like Vulcans. So this is a different legion. So what I was thinking was, instead of having one set of roster legions, we can have 4 default legions and then 3 unlockable special legions, so that people get an interest to play it continuously and try to unlock new stuff from better experience. So what do you think?
I think that's great. I think that's awesome. So like, what happens when I first get on the website? Like, have you like how can I think that it'd be good if you could buy coins off the website itself. And from what I saw, it's not very hard to make that possible, to purchase coins on the website directly, on the game directly. That way you don't have, or you can put like a link to Coinbase or something, but it's probably just better if you could buy it from the site directly, right?
No, so the thing is, remember, Alex, I told you I bought a friend in because he has experience in blockchain yesterday.
Yeah, that's up to you.
Yeah, so no.
Yeah.
I just wanted to learn how the game is because I don't have a blockchain wallet, dude. So he has a blockchain wallet. So I just asked him, bro, can you share your screen and go through the game with me? So he was ready for that. He opened the game. As soon as he opened the game, it asked him to connect to his blockchain wallet. So he had to log in through that. So when you log in through the blockchain wallet, all your currencies which you already have can be used. Or if you click a button over there, like next to the character. If you want this card, you click buy now. It's gonna tell you how many coins it's gonna take. You click on that, it's gonna take you, redirect you to the website where you can buy coins. So that's where the transaction happens, and all the transactions happen in another website which is not in the game. So
Was it
in the
Coinbase?
game,
Was the name Coinbase?
not Coinbase, Ethereum. Yeah, it's a wallet, dude. So basically, MetaMask is a wallet which I know of,
All right, cool.
which most of the people use, and there are other wallets like Binance, and I didn't see
Binance
Coinbase, dude.
hold.
I've
Is
seen Binance and MetaMask. These two are the most famous. He told it's the most famous, which people use. So as soon as you log in, it's complete. It's a Splinterlands is a free to play game, dude. You don't have to buy. It's not compulsory.
So
Dude,
then
I
how-
think
I
it's
was
compulsory because
Hey guys, I'll
once
be
you
right back.
start the game, okay. Once you start the game, yesterday he showed this video, right? So if you're a new player to the game, you'll have to buy this intro package
You'll have,
kind of
yes,
thing.
you can buy that, but this guy didn't buy it, dude. Like I was shocked. I don't know. He didn't
Then
buy
it's
it.
compulsory.
He
Yeah.
No, he just hit play. He selected his cards. He matched with randoms and he played. That's it. I was shocked. Like that's what even Augustine told. You'll have to buy a pack and then you'll be able to play. But
Yeah.
he didn't buy anything. He had zero balance on it. I was shocked.
Yeah.
So we'll have to go through the gameplay again. And Alex, like I checked. Okay, Alex isn't here. So dude, I checked in with him. I asked him, bro, where is the data stored? Because I thought, Tarun, we thought the data is stored in the blockchain, right?
It's actually stored in a separate database, right?
Yes, it's stored in a separate database. You need a backend for it. And I asked him, where's the blockchain code actually used? There are only two ways, two places where it's used. So basically, when you log in, you connect to your wallet. That's one contract which you have to write. It's a contract. It's not a script. In the blockchain world, it's called contract. So one contract to log in and the other contract to buy stuff. That's it. Nothing else. So just two contracts.
So wait a
If
minute. So
we,
I play a match. I
no,
win some
you
coins and
open the you open the game, you log in one contract. When you play the game, you have to buy cards. Another contract.
oh,
That's it. Done. When you play games, you win experience points and in-game coins. Using those
oh,
in-game coins, you can
you
buy
again buy
the cards
cards.
in the game. Yes.
Fair
So
enough.
it's not currency, just two contracts. But
Yeah.
it's just like Valorant, dude. Pay to win game. You want
Pay
not
to win.
pay to win. Yeah, that's pay to win. Valorant is not pay to win. Like you buy skins and stuff, nothing else.
Like FIFA,
FIFA, I have no idea about FIFA. Anyway.
you can buy better teams. So yeah, it's like FIFA.
Okay, pay to win.
It's made
So
by
that's
EA, obviously.
All right, guys, let's see. So, all right. So basically,
so Alex, like I just told Tarun how the game is built, dude. So everything's stored in a database, dude. Like I thought everything's stored in the blockchain. It's not stored in the blockchain. The maximum storage to store in the blockchain is 12 KB. So you can store only text. All the characters, every data related to the game, the logic, everything is stored on a database. So where blockchain is used, it's used when you start the game, you'll have to connect to your wallet. That's one blockchain code. And the next blockchain code is where when you're trying to buy a new card, right? When you're trying to buy a new card, you'll have to write code to transact that currency, how many coins required. That's
I
it,
have a
just two
question.
places.
Well, I'm curious.
Right.
Who said that we have to do it that way, though? I'm not saying that it's a bad way, but I'm just saying who says we have to do it that way.
Because you cannot store it in the blockchain, dude. It's just 12 KB.
No, I mean, okay,
Uh-huh.
you can't. So there's no way you have to.
So see, another thing in the blockchain, if you want to make any changes to the blockchain, there's something called transaction fees. Transaction fees are very costly. So for every change, for every new
gas.
character we add,
Oh,
yes,
gas.
gas. Sorry, my bad. I thought you guys know.
You
Anyways,
guys will learn it.
yeah.
You guys will catch
So
on really
gas.
quick.
So every game I went along with him and he told me, dude, that's almost impossible to build a game on the blockchain, because if you want to add a new character, it's impossible to add a new character because it's a blockchain. You cannot delete, you cannot update. But if it's on a database, you can do that. But the only thing which is on the blockchain is the user's wallet, nothing else. That's
Okay,
completely
cool.
private.
I'm really
So
glad that you
it's
guys are doing
it's
on that.
very easy, dude. And it's not you asked, you wanted Eli on this, but it's a very small, very small part which Eli is playing. Just two contracts.
That is a badass dragonfly.
I know, right? Dude, the only thing is, see, once we, Alex, before we start making cards, we'll have to decide on these
Assets.
characters,
Yes.
assets. Yeah, because these are
If it's
pretty
100,
expensive.
if it's 150, that's fine. Just get it.
No,
but then
dude. This is a
it's-
bundle. This is a bundle. So Tarun, open one.
But that's
Look
good.
at this.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
honestly, we need to make some NFT cards for the site. anyway.
Yes, NFT cards too. Yes, that's the thing.
And we could even use
So-
these in the future, maybe. But I mean,
This
I
is
doubt.
just-
But what if someone else bought this pack and used it for an NFT? Though, isn't that cheating?
Okay, maybe.
yeah,
that's-
anyone on
that's
this,
in-
anyone can go on the site and buy these, dude.
Yeah, we're not going to use these for the NFTs. That's I can't stand that. That's
We can use it for inspiration.
this is
what-
for our website. This is for our website. So, oh, by the way, so he wants us to put at the top a team section and list our names on it, like how we're part of the team and like stuff like that.
Okay.
For the
About this.
website. That's one
Hmm.
thing that you can do in a menu item and go ahead and start. You can put like his name and put like a CEO, founder, or some shit, and then put like we can put me as like the best one, and then just put like you can put like project manager, and then you can put like T. You can put front design, main designer, or like something like that, and then Rush
But
back end.
what part of the site will we have those in?
Go up, all the way up to the top
Another page there.
on the menu. I'm saying about the menu because this is for the second
Look at
half.
that team thing.
So
Go up to the
we'll
top.
have a team
You
page,
want something?
okay,
You want
fine.
something like this with like our pictures?
Oh, with our pictures, or we can have characters, right?
Yeah, we can have characters if we want. That's fine. But I mean,
Characters kind of suit the theme better.
yeah.
So
what-
maybe a demon looking like Alex, and then a dog looking like
Shut up.
Roshi.
But like, why? But why do they have 3 of the same characters for the hunter, the technician, and the gatherer? I don't understand.
I know, right?
It shows the same level. So
And
the
also
top
it's
to
the
the
same-
first level.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Just
makes
the colors
sense.
are different.
Oh, the visionary.
Dude,
That's
I love the names. I love the names. The alpha.
the project lead. So the project lead. This would be me, the top dog. Duh. Matt, be quiet. So I'm the top dog, and then all you were beneath me. Just kidding. Guys, okay, I'm gonna kill this dog. Matt, come on. Hey.
Is dog meat tasty?
Hello.
Bro, look at this, there. In this world, even the snails are pretty amazing. If it's an earth, people are just fried.
Then where's a pupil? It doesn't have a pupil.
Doesn't
That's
have
the
a-
thing. It's a blind snail. Attack points -10.
கேக்குதா?
Cake.
Yeah, bro.
Cake.
Bro, but the best part is Roshan. All of these are from Sketchfab, Sketchfab embeds.
This is Unity assets. No? Isn't this from Unity?
This is from Sketchfab. Everything.
How are you saying that?
Because this is the same UI as Sketchfab.
UI, come on, dude. The UI is
And
Babylon
also,
JS or
also,
something.
also, on
It's
Sketchfab, you
Babylon
have
JS or something.
on Sketchfab, there's an option to embed Sketchfab items. So I tried that once, and this is how it came out.
Okay. Hey, no, it's a library, dude. So in the entire world, there are only 3 libraries: 3JS, Babylon, and there's one more. I forgot which was the other one. Where did everyone go?
Mom's calling for breakfast. So yeah, anything else?
License fee. What's that single entity? Oh, okay, multiple. For large enterprises.
I think this is like one organization and multiple organization.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
490. Okay, it's the entire thing. Okay.
Oh, I'm making a real cigarette. Hold on. Anyways, what is that thing? The thing is like badass.
That's his name.
This is made creepy.
So what next, guys?
Oh, okay. So what was I gonna say? Okay, so when we start this, who do you guys think, how many people do you think we're gonna need, and who, like, I've already started putting out an ad for concept designers, concept.
Yeah, concept. So moving on to the dev, because Tarun, you'll need another designer, right?
That's for sure.
Absolutely.
Mm,
Are you guys
so
ready?
one designer.
Yeah.
I think one front end or two front ends will do. It depends on the front end. So
I think
I don't know who's gonna be the front end. So who's the new guy? Alex. You'll have to talk to him, dude. You'll have to see how good he is.
who?
The new guy whom you bought. Like, what was his name? That Simon. What is his name?
Who?
Alex, you bought.
This
Alex bought
client?
someone on this.
Solomon. Solomon.
Solomon.
yes, yeah.
Solomon.
Who's Solomon?
What?
Who's Solomon?
Alex, you bought him, right? Like on WhatsApp. You created a new group.
Oh, that guy? No.
Not him, right? Yeah, I wanted to know that.
That was just for our app.
Guys, can I
Okay.
leave for breakfast? Anything else do I have to?
No, just get ready for a meeting at 12 client.
12:30. Got it.
Yep.
I'm gonna talk with Ross real quick and Ash.
Okay. Bye, guys.
See
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye T. Love you T. Ashwin, so
Yeah, Alex.
as far as front end, how are you feeling about, like, I mean, I'm not saying Rush, I mean, I want to involve Ashwin too, but how are you feeling? Like, I mean, obviously this is, can you help me out, Rush? Like, I think you can help, like, I can give you like, if I can give you some hours, I'll give you like a little bit of hours to like to make some money, like learning, I get like too, or like how can we involve Ashwin? Like, I'm sure he could help with like other things.
Yeah,
with,
we can let him build a page, dude. Like so every game you saw the Splinterlands, right? It has a static page, like a landing page as the first page. You hit play now, it's gonna redirect you to the game. So I think he can build a landing page, at least. It's just one page. We can involve him like that.
Okay, Ashwin, hello.
Yeah, Alex. Yes, I get it.
He's always like Alex. I look, oh look at you, you're on camera. What the heck? What's up, buddy? About time. I'm like so pet peeve about that now. Like, that needs to happen. Like, it never has to be on camera because the clients have to see us. We look weird, like weirdos hiding behind the camera, you know?
Mhm.
So I know I had something else to talk about. Oh yeah, so as far as like the game, so how it's gonna go is basically, obviously it's gonna be planning's gonna be in the beginning, so we're gonna have to find out when we get the budget,
Yes.
how many people we're gonna need, how many hours.
So
we're gonna have to have
about the
everything planned
people,
out.
dude, like Alex,
Huh?
I recommend like first let's get the game concept, dude. Like what card? So a card, what all attributes it's gonna have, like health, attack, and what else does he
I
want?
agree. This is great. Believe me, I
Yeah.
thought we were gonna need more than one person to help with the concept, but
Yeah, we will need it. Yes, we'll need that. But we'll have to talk
sure?
about that, right? Like
I don't
think
think
it's
I don't think we're gonna even need extra people to help the concept. I think he pretty much UNT.
yeah, we'll have to sit down and talk to it. Like, I'm not talking about the extra people. I'm telling we need a separate time after we get the requirements from the client. So I don't think we need any more requirements. Dude. He just wants Splinterlands in a better way. So we'll have to go through the site,
Oh,
dude. Yeah, like I mean the website.
He wants a custom game.
Yeah, custom game, yes, but the concept is gonna be like that. The gameplay is gonna be like that. Like card comes, you just hit random. So I saw the gameplay, dude. Random guy comes, he selects his card, we select our cards, you hit rumble, it's gonna automatically attack. You don't have to do anything, you just sit back and relax and watch a game.
Then how's
So-
ours gonna be? How's ours gonna be any different then?
That's what I said. Like we will have like he wanted something like that. So we can talk to him and like we can ask him and stuff. Like, I don't know. We'll have to talk to him.
Our names on this, guys. We don't want to embarrass ourselves and then be like, oh my god, they ripped off Splinterman.
Yes, that's true.
I mean, we're more creative than that.
Yeah, that's what, dude. We'll have to sit down and talk to it before we move on. That's the planning phase, basically.
It is. I'm talking more the project management side. That we have to find out how many hours this person's gonna work. I have to stay within budget. I have to find out how many people we're gonna need. So like when you guys are in school, this person works at this time. It's a strict, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Like completely,
Shifts.
because we have to stay in budget. It's hard to stay in budget and shit like this.
And that's what we need, the game concept. If you find out the game concept, we can split it and find out how many people we need. So that's what I was thinking.
I think that regardless though, game concept or not, we're gonna need. It's gonna be something complicated though, correct?
A bit, yes.
It's not like
Mm.
just because it's not like the game's concept we come up with is going to be any less than like Splinterland. It might, that's my point. Like,
It's going to be a bit different.
but it's going to be as intense though, correct? Like as involved, like we would need people. My point being, like, do you think our concept is going to make us not have to bring on extra people? Or, I mean, I think we're going to for sure have to bring on extra people no matter what, is what I'm thinking,
So I think we'll need another front end, a good enough front end developer. Because the animations are going to be intense.
We need a very good front end developer.
Yes, that's it. Just one. And
But
designers, we can post
You were a
answers.
good, you're front end, but what are you going to be doing? Back end?
Backend. Like as soon as I've done with the backend, I can hop on this and see what's going on. But until that, like I won't be able to help in the front end. So
We
yeah.
can't do anything till the design's done anyways.
Yes. So I'll be on the backend. I'll be moving on with that.
What
But
database are we going to put this on? Like what?
We are not gonna store anything related to user database. We are gonna store in the database only related to the game. We won't have any user data
Okay.
because we'll have to maintain privacy. So yeah, dude,
And
we
where's
don't-
that
we
going to be
shouldn't.
kept at?
Where's that gonna be?
Yeah.
Your voice broke, dude. I didn't hear that.
Where's
Where's
that
that?
going to be? Like, where is that going to be? Like, have we decided like
Mhm.
that would be our host, correct? Obviously, like whoever hosts, like whoever we choose to host the game.
Yes.
So I think obviously the best bet would probably be to go with AWS for this. For host.
AWS. I was about to tell that. Yes, AWS.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Cool. Just
Yeah, we'll have, and he's gonna be paying for the AWS, right? Because it's a subscription based.
He's gonna be paying for what?
AWS account.
I don't even know how that works. Like,
Okay, so it's a subscription, dude. So he has to pay monthly of how many people are gonna use it. So it's like pay as you go. If we have a MadMT server on AWS, or we are gonna be charged if and only if people are gonna
why don't we
launch
use
on-
GoDaddy then or something?
GoDaddy is just for domain. It's I
No,
don't
it's
know.
not.
if
They
have-
host. GoDaddy,
Do they
is,
have hosting? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm checking.
GoDaddy has a lot of like really well-known websites that they host. We could use Google Cloud.
Yeah, we can use GCP too, but get a dot.
We can use DreamHost. I'm just kidding.
Get web hosting. Yeah, dude, they have web hosting. $6 per month.
We need a virtual. We're gonna need a private server.
VPS. Yes.
We might even need a dedicated server.
Oh no, dude. A VPS will be good because like, what if his user base shoots up? What if people start liking it and many
I'm
people
saying a
start using
dedicated
it?
server. Like a dedicated server is like your own little island almost. It's like expensive. It's like $300 a month.
Yeah, it's expensive. So, but VPS will be scaling. It's automatic. It automatically scales, dude. So if there are more people, it's gonna run up more VPSs. If there are less people, it's gonna shut down the other VPSs. So we'll have to pay only for the number of users who are using it. We don't have to pay any more extra. So
How does Splinterland make money if they don't charge anything?
they charge for in-app purchases.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. How much?
So basically, it's a
their
pay to
network,
win.
by the way, like, did you know Splinterland's like network, like on Crunchbase?
Nope.
I'm gonna look it up real quick. Splinterland Crunch Base. It's $3.6 million. Wow.
Whoa. Okay.
And that's what we could. I mean, that's not crazy to say that. We could do that. It's crazy.
Then 3.6. Yeah, dude.
I'm going to hang on real quick.